As we celebrate this year's Customer Service Week, where we are talking about going above and beyond, one of the things I take pride in is the ability of Optiven to go above and beyond in creating numerous job opportunities. Optiven has created a platform where young people can thrive, where individuals who have gone to school, invested heavily in their academics, they are able to come here and execute roles that motivate them, that inspire them, and that grow them. And for us, one of the things that we have also come to understand is that the world has become a very challenging place. And therefore we have put in place wellness programs that focus on key things, like for example, mental health. This has become a mammoth, a nightmare that is mind-boggling, that is weighing so many people down. But for us at Optiven, we provide comprehensive medical covers for our staff that enables them, one, take care of their individual health and that of their families. Number two, we organize mental health talks that address issues pertaining to family, finances, work, and also the social life, because pressure is coming from everywhere. We are also very heavily invested in work-life balance that allows for flexi work, allows for remote working, that gives our staff an opportunity to be easy even as they deliver on their targets. Flexi working is key in ensuring that there is work-life balance and ensuring that we are going above and beyond. Because ideally, when the mental faculties are not functioning properly, you do not expect results from the same staff.